Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever built a WordPress website and thought, I wish I could just duplicate this widget instead of rebuilding it from scratch, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to duplicate a widget in WordPress. No coding, no plugins, and totally beginner friendly. Let's jump right in. First things first, we need to log into WordPress. Open your browser and go to the WordPress homepage. On the top right corner, click on Login. If you're like most users and connected your site with your Google account, click Continue with Google, then select the Google account linked to your WordPress website. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and find Quick Links. Click on Edit Site. This will open up the site editor where you can customize everything on your website visually. Now, navigate to the section where your widget is placed. This could be in your sidebar, footer, or any part of your layout depending on your theme. Once you find the widget you want to duplicate, simply click to select it. Now here's the magic shortcut you need to know. Press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. That copies the widget instantly. Next, we need to make a space for the duplicate so we can paste it neatly without breaking the layout. To do that, hit Shift+Enter. This creates a clean line break right under the original widget. Now comes the best part, duplicating it. Just press Ctrl+V to paste, and boom, you've now duplicated your widget. You can drag it, adjust its position, or edit the content if you want the duplicate to be slightly different. It's that simple. Once done, make a quick visual check. Make sure the new widget fits perfectly into your layout and doesn't misalign other content. This method is super fast, efficient, and gets easier every time you do it. No plugin bloat, no extra setup, just copy, paste, done. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials just like this one. Drop a comment if you want a video on how to duplicate entire widget areas or templates in WordPress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.